Pagdating sa real estate, remember this. Location is not just about convenience. It's also about safety.
You want a condo property that's near malls, business hubs, schools, and hospitals. Yes, but more importantly, dapat nasa flood-free zone yan. Lagi mong i-check yung elevation ng area, proximity to rivers or lowlands, history of flooding during typhoon season, here in BGC and McKinley Hill, mega world developments are built on elevated ground, well-drained, and master planned to avoid the usual flood risks. Kaya kahit umulan ng malakas, tuloy pa rin ang buhay. Remember, mura man ang property, kung palaging binabaha, mas malaki pa ang gastos mo in the long term. Choose smart, choose safe, choose prime location that protects your investment. This is your Condo PH, Christian Carino from Megaworld at the Fort. See you!